What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some updates about one of my favorite investments, ChargePoint, trading under the ticker CHPT. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about ChargePoint here on my channel a couple months ago. At that time, the company was significantly beaten down, and I talked about the possibility of a short seller squeeze in the near future. And now, since that time, we have finally started to see ChargePoint share price have some strong upward momentum recently, with the share price running up significantly over this past month and closing out the past trading week at over $33 per share. And now, at the time that I'm recording this video, currently trading at around $32.50 per share. Over the past month, ChargePoint has provided shareholders with a ton of positive news, recently announcing on June 17th that ChargePoint will be partnering with Mercedes to power industry-leading EV charging experiences. And in addition to that, ChargePoint provided investors with the quarterly results on June 3rd, announcing a 24% year-over-year increase in revenue, with specifically a 36% year-over-year growth of networked charging revenue, as well as currently sitting with $610 million in cash on its balance sheet. As you can see, for the first quarter, ChargePoint announced a revenue of $40.5 million, an increase of 24% from $32.8 million in the previous year, with ChargePoint ultimately posting a net income for the first quarter of $82.3 million, although a significant portion of that net income did result from changes in warrant liabilities and other changes in fair valuation of the stock. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about ChargePoint as an investment moving forward? As a long-term investment, I continue to love ChargePoint, and I plan to have a position in that company for at least the next 10 years. But here in the short term, you certainly could make the case that ChargePoint continues to trade at a very rich valuation of just under a $10 billion market cap, especially whenever you consider how much it's currently doing in revenue. So for those reasons, although I continue to be bullish about ChargePoint as a long-term investment, here in the short term, I may consider selling some of my shares that I bought at a lower cost basis in order to lock in some short-term profits. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. An investment in ChargePoint, like an investment in any company, comes with risks. So if you're thinking about investing in ChargePoint, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about ChargePoint? Are you invested in ChargePoint? Are you thinking about investing in CHPT? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.